Alright, so Katie, where are we going?
We're going to climbing.
Climbing. What are we climbing? Gwanaksan Mountain is right next to Seoul National University. It's an easy peasy trail.
So on the way, we actually passed by Seoul National University, which is like the #1 university in Korea.
Yeah, it's like the Harvard, the Harvard of Seoul.
This is the main entrance. Go in, and then you become the #1 student.
We're gonna get some kimbap, some ramen, some makgeolli, and some snacks that we can munch on. So let's go. Put all the makgeolli in its own refrigerator. Let's get this Seoul makgeolli. Seoul makgeolli. There's some corn tea.
맥반석 오징어. This one is kind of my go-to, but today my teeth condition isn't that great, so this one.
You're gonna get the small one?
But yeah, because our water, we don't have that much water, hot water. 참깨라면 is special because it has egg inside. 계란이 들어있어요.
So guys, this is the entrance of the park.
Hungry.
You hungry?
We didn't have breakfast. So in Korea, it's very important to be fashionable when you go mountain climbing.
That's right.
So the meaning of fashionable means bring together all kind of bright colors to catch attention.
You gotta have the latest North Face gear, the latest Columbia.
Yeah, and the hat, from head to toe, everything geared up.
Are you geared up?
No,
I don't think so.
I'm the pajama style. I just walk out of bed like this.
There's a good example. Head to toe. Guys, check out this old school wheelbarrow. Very nice, huh? That'd be nice to have something like this in your yard. Yeah. Alright, Sojisan versus 조인성. Who are you going with?
몰라. 너무 행복하다. 조인성 오빠?
Alright, so Katie, there's a new drama.
A new drama called in
Whoa.
Netflix. You can find.
Gotta
There's
fly.
a new drama in Korea called Pretty Nuna.
No, say it in Korean first.
밥 잘 사주는 예쁜 누나.
And how does that translate to English?
This is the pretty Nuna who buys me food. Okay, in English it's not as fun or like.
It sounds so weird, huh?
Yeah, but basically Nuna means what the younger guys called older sister. Not sister, but somebody who's
Older.
woman who's older than them.
Yeah. But at Netflix they call it Something in the Rain.
Yeah, you can find it on Netflix. It's called Something in the Rain.
Explain to them why
By
you
the
got
way,
so salty at me yesterday.
By the way, don't watch that drama and expect all guys in Korea to be like that, okay? Just one warning, because you're gonna be disappointed.
That's right. After watching 9 hours of that straight, you acted so salty to me yesterday for no reason. Why can't I do this? Why can't I be that?
Cricket, there's another one, cricket. This is cricket. I used to do this in my PE class when I was in England.
Seems to me like it's from Harry Potter. What do you call it?
Cricket.
Cricket 아니야?
Croquet.
It's called croquet? There's one. Alright, so this is the gate of Gwanaksan here. You got a nice little stream. 동아 여기 완전 예쁜데? 여기? Katie, you look nice here.
Pick me up.
Oh my gosh, let's not do that. I love that sound of like natural running water. Oh yeah.
시원하다고.
Drink it.
It's cool. You can't.
Katie, are you hungry? Guys, look at these flowers. This one's very pretty. It looks like the entrance to a movie. Guys, so there's a normal trail, but I know this back trail where no one goes.
I don't think you do.
That's why there's no one on this trail. It's the back way.
Oh, I should have brought my sunglasses.
This is where Bruce Lee trained.
뻥치고 있네. 오빠 그거 다친다 그거 하면.
Look at this seat made out of duct tape.
왜 그럴까? 야 이거 해야지 이거 오빠 이거.
동현이가 해봐.
There's actually this scene in the Luna drama, and then the girl.
Makgeolli is Korean rice wine. See? It's like milk. It's better than milk, actually. Alright, so in Korea it's mixed. Some people don't like to shake this because all of the stuff that gives you a hangover is on the bottom. Well, allegedly. So they just drink the top part. But then the bottom part is where all that flavor is. So most people like to shake it. Katie's secretly taking a sip as the cameraman. You know it tastes good. Do you need some help? You so hot?
Oh.
Alright, Katie leading the way. She's a little bit tired. This is cut point number 1. That's my rock, but this guy stole it. 이리올라.
아이고. Hi, you gorilla.
Alright guys, I think we're gonna try to find a place where we can eat. Katie lead the way. She always likes to lead the way. Alright guys, so we're really away from the people, which is the whole point of hiking. And did you guys know that Korea is covered by mountains? Alright guys, so we found a remote spot. This is gonna be our first kimbap spot.
I don't know if we have enough hot water though. Let's see.
This is where food tastes the best, is up in the mountains.
There's hot water in.
Is it still hot?
Let's see.
Oh! Alright. Is it hot though?
뜨겁지. 오빠 어떡해 저거. There's the 대왕개미 coming up. I'm too scared.
Katie's scared of these.
오빠는 안 먹어?
오빠는 김밥 먹을 것 같아.
그래. What are you eating?
Let's see the kimbap. When you're in the mountains, you gotta eat it burrito style.
Oh my gosh.
Bon appetit, y'all. The shop did a good job. They have a lot of fresh vegetables.
근데 안 뜨거운가 봐.
not hot enough?
안 뜨거워. 어떡해?
It's not hot?
이렇게 덩어리째 있어.
Oh no.
어떡해?
Well, give it some time. Alright, so I think Katie's having a hard time because of the huge ants. Which there's none, but in her mind there's millions.
Hard.
We have some old
soft.
old school tumblers that don't hold the heat well.
Yeah, I never tested them.
I brought a special treat for us. The hangover food
맛있겠다.
of America. Leftover pizza
In the mountain.
in the mountains.
Let's do a pizza delivery to here. Do you think they will come?
Good question. Depends on how bad of business they're in. In Korea, they put a lot of corn in their pizza. Here you go. At least for me, when you're hiking, you don't really think about anything. I think that's the best part. You don't have to think about work, you don't have to think about startup stuff, you don't have to worry about YouTube, you don't have to worry about family stuff. All you have to worry is about shooing away flies and 산막사. Let's go. Stairway to heaven. What is that?
Daniel told me I was an eagle in my past life.
That's right, she knows how to spot. She spots all the little bugs and walks around them.
Woohoo!
Actually, just about 2 years ago, they didn't have these stairs. But a lot of senior citizens like to climb this specific mountain, so they made it because you used to have to use ropes and stuff and it got a little too dangerous. But hey, it's all good. This is my favorite place for the view. There's a big drop off here.
Don't fall.
I know. Beautiful.
런치네. 오빠 무서워. 뒤로 와.
오빠가 사진 찍게.
무서워. 심장이.
Katie. Oh, whoops. Wrong button.
It's recording.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. This is the secret place that most people don't. Come on, baby. It's dangerous. Come up.
Oh.
Yeah, come up, grab.
플레잉해야지.
That's right.
라라라라라라.
Alright, guys, you ready for this spectacular view?
I see. 노래 플레잉해야지.
Woo! Check it out. You see everything. Alright, guys, and this is the best place to listen to a few tunes. Kitty, you got the earphone in?
Yes.
Kitty, looks like you have the whole mountain to yourself. Do you know the Korean anthem?
동해 물가 백두산이 마르고 닳고.
Thought it was the top, but there's this last part, and it says, "Danger, danger, get on the flow." Basically, you have to ride the ropes, and it's climb at your own peril,
왼쪽으로 가라는 거.
all the way to the top. Babe, you want to try, or should we cop out and go the stairways? Which one? Dunk, 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 dunk. It's pretty scary, I'm not gonna lie. What are you doing? Namaste. Looks like you're on top of Seoul. Namaste. Nama, 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 biru. Scene 3. Alright, guys, so we're going down and we're almost finished. So we're going down and we're not finished.
Big bird. 이글 있어, 이글.
I haven't seen eagles.
저기, this is huge.
An eagle? Really?
저 두 마리.
Let me see.
엄청 커.
There's an eagle? Are you sure it's an eagle?
I don't know. 독수리가 이글 맞지? 저거.
Those are crows.
까마귀? Those crows, yeah.
That's your best?
몰라.
Mine sounds like this.
We're done.
How does it feel?
It feels really refreshing. I become a new person.
I don't know. What should we eat, Katie? Some
You said you wanted to eat pork.
Korean barbecue. Here we go.
Okay.
This is real charcoal. Heat is good.
Yeah, it's really strong.
This restaurant is famous for their charcoal. So next explain what this is. This is marinated.
This is marinated pork. This is the steamed egg.
Steamed egg. Then we have 된장찌개.
This is the soybean paste soup.
초고추장 sauce.
Yes, garlic and the gochujang sauce.
Oh, that fat drips onto the charcoals and it comes right back up. This looks so good.
여기서 금방 오거든요. 그리고 우리 팀장은 그리고 우리 원장 유치다. 내가 그걸 여쭤보지 말다가 H를
Guys, it's ready. Look at this piece.
Is that ready?
Yeah.
Wow, that's big.
Try it, babe.
Okay.
다시 가려면은 진짜 가야지 안 해.